Welcome. Today I'll take a look at the Motorola Walkie Talkie. As you can see, the T82 Extreme Walkie Talkie. So anyway, let's just unpack it and see what we get in the box. It looks like we do have a sticker right here, so I'm just gonna grab my little shank. So there we go. I should be able to pop it up. There we go. So obviously, as you can see, probably straight from the get-go, it does come in this pouch, which also has a little zip tie right here, so I do need to cut it somehow. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully I don't actually get to cut myself with this. Let me try to put it in a different way and on something that can actually cut this. There we go. I don't know if I just bent that or hopefully not. Anyway, let's just open it up. So there we go. And here we get a charger with a horrible micro USB plug. There we go, you can see micro USB. Now that's a single charger, but actually dual cable. Yep, dual cable. That's kind of neat. So you can charge two of them at the same time. That's the first thing. You just pop that back in. Then we got some accessories in here. So we got straps for different ones. We get something. Guess I'll find out in a second what that's for. Another charger, same one as before. Then at the top right here we get batteries. So obviously 4 of these. Some manual. Then in the other pocket we get okay, so we get earpieces. Damn, that's actually really neat. So yeah, get earpieces so you can just clip it to your ear. Have a mic on this. Nice. And lastly, obviously, we get 4 of these things. And I think I figured out what this is for. Or not. Did I? Yep, okay. So this is just a clip. And I can clip it to, I don't know, like your belt loop or something like that. Now additionally, let's see, we do have to pop the batteries in here somehow. But I'm not exactly sure how. Ah, there we go. So you just kind of flip the switch right here, lift it up, and you can now pop your battery in here. Now it looks like it can also take triple AA batteries, as you can see, right here, instead of this single cell right here. So, world is your oyster, pick whichever one you want. This one obviously will be better because it's a single cell, a rechargeable, unlike just a AAA battery, unless you buy some that can actually be recharged. And from there we can just kind of close it off. I'm not gonna really turn it on, it's not like I'm planning to talk with anybody here. So yeah, a couple buttons on here, and I have no idea what these buttons do for the majority of the part. I guess this is lock, volume up and down. The music, I have no idea what that is either, or this. So something that you'd probably need to look into the manual for. And buttons on the side. So we have flashlight, as you can see. We have the, well, obviously trigger button for talking. Don't know what that actually is and what that is either. And charging port on the other side. So anyway, it's basically, I would say, all we get in a package, but that sounds like there is not much. Well, this thing is filled to the brim with accessories and, well, everything. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.